Hello, this is Jessica McCrae, and this is my On the Board number 3. The title of my project is Literacy in the Eagle's Nest. My client will be the principal of Brookdale Elementary School, located in Orangeburg, South Carolina. For this project, I will be creating a interactive learning module based on the first grade ELA standards. Um, this year, we are not using Common Core. In South Carolina, we are using the South Carolina College and Career Readiness Standards. And throughout this project, you will see that the three concepts that I pulled from some of the ELA standards are story elements, sentence structures, and letter sounds. So let's go ahead and start looking through the project. Um, I'm still in the process of adding audio to the content. So as we go through, you'll notice that a lot of the content does not have any audio for it, but I am in the process of doing that. For my last on the board, I had difficulty with my video web objects playing in Storyline. So hopefully it works this time. So let's go ahead and get started. Here I just added a text entry feature, so I'll just type my first name. Next. And as you can see at the bottom, I hope it's not cut off, you see the previous and next buttons as well as the menu. Once my project is completed, I will make sure to take away the menu and the previous and next button because I would hate to distract the students with so many unnecessary texts on the interface. And this is where the student gets to choose what concept they would like to practice. So let's start with letter sounds. And as you can see, this is the text entry that was on the previous slide. Click each letter to hear the sound. And that's all that I have so far for this slide. Okay, let's go back to our challenge page. For the sentence fix it, I'm going to add some more content here. And this slide just basically reminds or teaches the students about the sentence structures. It starts with a capital letter and it always has a punctuation mark at the end. And this is just a question slide, multiple select, that just reinforces what the student just learned or just went through on the previous slide. So what two things must a sentence must have? Punctuation mark, and we go to capital letter, come down and hit submit, and they have immediate feedback. And this just goes on to talk about the sentence structure. Alright, let's go back to the challenge page. Now let's look at the story elements. And the video is still not working, so that is definitely something I'll have to look into. And that video was basically about Little Red Riding Hood, and the students will have to pull out the characters. Let's hit submit, and the student is prompted with immediate feedback. And as I said previously, all the content in the audio is not there yet, but hopefully by the next on the board, everything will be set in place. Additionally, for this project, I decided to use Gagne's 9 steps of instruction. Therefore, it will guide the students through the direct instruction, which is basically telling the students what I expect them to learn, actually going through the content and going into detail about the content. And this is what I have so far. I look forward to hearing any suggestions. Thank you.